Google's Android is the most widely used mobile operating system in the world. According to Gartner research, 81% of all smartphones and tablets are running some version of the OS. The latest update to the platform, called Android 5.0 Lollipop, is a major refresh. Everyone will notice that it looks very different, and it also works differently. Here are 5 top features you need to know about Android Lollipop. The first thing you'll notice about Android Lollipop is its new look. Unlike previous versions of Android, Lollipop sports a flatter, sleeker design, complete with brighter colors. It's genuinely good looking and a big break from the Android we're used to. Google is using Lollipop as the foundation of its Android operating system across devices. That means Android Lollipop style will be the same on your smartphone, tablet, smartwatch, TV, and even your car. Google is changing the way you get notifications with Android 5.0. Now you can see your social media updates and text messages from your lock screen. You can even hide them if you don't want everyone around you seeing what your friends post on your Facebook page. When it comes to call notifications, they now appear at the top of the screen. There, you can accept or dismiss the call depending on whether you want to interrupt your comic or movie trailer. Previous versions of Android saw the dialer completely take over the screen when someone called you. I tend to be pretty hard on my phone's battery. That's why the new battery saver feature in Android Lollipop immediately caught my attention, because it can add an additional 90 minutes of battery life to your phone by reducing overall system performance and turning off background data, like the social media updates and emails that are otherwise automatically pushed to you. How many times have you handed your phone over to someone to use for a minute or two, only to silently panic that they'll open up your private messages or apps? With Android Lollipop, you no longer have to sweat it when you lend your phone to someone else. That's because the operating system lets you set up individual and guest user accounts. Want to give your phone to a coworker? Just switch to the guest account. Kids want to use your phone? Switch to their account and let them have at it. If you've got a PIN or pattern lock on your phone, having to constantly enter and re-enter it every time you want to use your handset can be a huge pain. With Android 5.0's new Smart Lock feature, however, you can set specific gadgets to serve as trusted devices that, when within range, will let you unlock your smartphone without having to enter a password. The feature works via Bluetooth and can be used with Android smartwatches or even your car. Move away from your trusted device, however, and your phone will once again require a password. Android 5.0 Lollipop is currently available on both the Nexus 6 smartphone and Nexus 9 tablet. If you're looking for more Lollipop coverage to sate your sweet tooth, check back with Yahoo Tech for more coverage, including updates on when the folks at Samsung, LG, and HTC will make it available for your phone.